The Attruby packaging was designed as an adherence pack to help keep you on track with your treatment. Let's go through the simple directions for unboxing your medication. Inside, you'll find 4 wallets containing Attruby and the patient information leaflet. Open the carton. Inside, you'll find a patient information leaflet and wallets of Attruby. Review the leaflet and then take out one of the wallets. Lift the flap and review the instructions printed inside. Use your thumb to push the button labeled number 1. At the same time, pull out the card with the pills from the right side labeled 2. Now that you've got the blister card, unfold it so you can see the medication. You can see that it's conveniently labeled to help you distinguish between the day and time of each dose. The recommended dosage is 2 pills, twice daily. To remove the pills, press them through the foil from the clear side of the card. Pairing Attruby with breakfast and dinner or another regular activity like brushing your teeth can help make it a normal part of your day. After taking Attruby, remove any loose paper or foil from the back of the blister card so you can easily slide it into the sleeve. Make sure to store Attruby tablets in the original blister card to protect them from moisture. Keep the blister card at room temperature between 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to take Attruby exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Questions about Attruby? Talk to your doctor or visit attruby.com/inside.